أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Please open from the first letter. I was teach you in last time first lesson. Please tell me that.
So, yes, we learned the alif.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Please first.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Brother, last time we learned the about the alif letter, first letter of the alphabet that goes from the right side as it started. And now we're gonna move forward, I guess, with the another letter.
Alif letter
Inshallah.
shape is one shape, okay, one style shape, and
It's the shape of number one.
Yeah, alif will come in 100,000 times in all Arabic books, also in Quran, Hadith, Sirah, and Prophet story. Okay, next letter. Remember this letter. Please shape. Don't forget the shape. It's ba. Ba.
Yeah.
In which color?
Black color.
Black color. It's ba. Ba. Okay. Which letter?
Ba.
Ba.
The letter, the second in alphabet, it's a letter ba on the shape of it's a black color.
Allah. Allah. Letter of Allah. First word alif. Alif. Allah. Allah. Okay. And ba. Today's lesson is ba. And Bismillah. B. Ba. B. First letter of Bismillah. First word of Bismillah. Ba. I am giving you an example. Just.
Inshallah.
Okay? Yeah.
Definitely.
It's ba. Okay. Ba. Alif. Definitely. And ba. Ba shape. Don't forget. It's black color shape. Okay. Yeah. Black color shape. It's ba. Which letter, brother?
It's a letter ba.
Yeah. Ba.
Shape. The black ba. Shape of it's a black color, and it's ba. It says we can say it as an example. Bismillah.
Bismillah. And if you have any time free, then you search in Quran. Open the Quran book and read, search, find alif where using, ba in where using, then highlight that and then send me in next class. Okay, it will improve your mind. If it will improve your inshallah lesson. Okay, yeah, inshallah. Today's lesson is ba. Okay, we are starting now, but before that I please tell me alif and ba explanation. I want explanation. Please tell me from about alif and ba.
Inshallah. So alif, it's a shape of number one. Alif, which appears hundreds of thousands of times in the Quran. It's a color that we see here. It's a red, and then we have the ba, which is on a color on the black, and we can say it as a b. We can mention and remind ourselves as Bismillah. It's a ba. Inshallah, we're gonna improve this. Inshallah, while looking at the Quran, and one day, inshallah, by connecting all these letters. Let's just start.
Okay.
With the second now.
Mashallah.
Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah. Today's lesson is ba. Our lesson today, ba. Only one letter we are understanding today in today's class. But one letter, no. It's not a one letter. By using in Arabic books and Quran, Hadith, 1,000 millions time. Allahu Akbar.
Allah.
Understand?
Alhamdulillah.
You must only understand rule of ba. Ba. Upper lips and bottom and upper lips touch ba. Ba. Pronouncing place
Ba.
where ba. Ba. Ba.
Ba.
Ba. Lip
Ba.
upper and
Ba.
bottom lips when will touch. Upper lip to down lips when will touch, then you will read ba. Ba. Okay. Yeah. Listen to your lips. Listen to your
Ba.
yeah. Ba.
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 Where place of reading of ba?
Once again.
From where you will read ba in from
Ba.
your mouth? In which place?
In the second letter of alphabet from the left side.
Ba. Touch your upper tips to down tips. Ba.
Ba. Yes, touching. Yep, touching first with the upper lips to the down. That's how it goes. Ba.
Ba.
You start touching from up lip, down lip.
Ba. Yeah. Mashallah. Also, reading place you memorize. Okay. Also, it's very important. Also, you don't forget reading place. If anyone will ask from you, oh bro, from where we will pronounce this ba, you tell him from the lips place.
From
upper
the
lips to
lips
down
place.
lips touch, then will pronounce
upper lips
ba
touching
letter.
down. Yep.
Yeah. Ba. Okay. Yeah. Ba is coming in. Okay, I am opening the Google. Please. 1 second, wait. Ba letter. How many time using in Quran? Only Quran. Okay.
Only in Quran.
Ba letter. Yeah. How many time using in Quran? Allahu Akbar. Appears the words ba appears 6 to 4 times, and in 493 verses in Quran. Allahu Akbar. In Quran, in all Arabic words. Okay, now I am finding about all ba letter. How many times using in all Arabic books in the world? In the world, Arabic book. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Brother, very heavy work. Very billions time. But you focus on your lesson in this. Inshallah, you will expert teacher. Inshallah, after for some months.
Inshallah, I will understand much better.
Yeah. Mashallah. Okay. Also, we will read any dua. Okay. Please tell me what's dua before entering the toilet.
So the dua before entering the toilet.
Yeah.
So
okay,
I'll tell you right now. The dua before entering the toilet.
I am with you, bro. I will teach you. I am with you. Don't be sad.
It's like
Bismillah.
Because you seek refuge from A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Oh Allah, I seek refuge with you from the evil and evildoers, because you entering something that it's of course evil.
Yeah. Oh Allah, I am. I want your protection from male and females evils.
Male and female evils.
Devils evils. Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah. It's explanation of this dua. I will send you, inshallah. I will send you this dua also. Inshallah. I was send you. Read with me. Bismillahi.
Bismillahi.
Allahumma inni
Allahu aminni.
a'udhu bika
A'udhu bika.
minal khubuthi.
Minahul.
Khubuthi.
Buthi.
Khubuthi. Khubuthi.
Minahil hubuthi.
Wal khaba'ith.
Wal habaisin.
Yeah. Bismillahi.
Bismillahi.
Allahumma inni
Allahu aminni.
a'udhu bika
A'udhu bika.
minal khubuthi.
Bihani. Once
Minal
again.
khubuthi
Binal hubuthi.
wal khaba'ith.
Wal kaba'ith.
Yeah, mashallah, mashallah. Good reading. Okay, I am sending you this dua in easy style. Okay, please open this. I send you now. Bismillah. Yeah, a dua before entering the toilet. If you want toilet, then you read before entering toilet. In toilet, no, it's before entering.
Before.
Yeah, you will.
Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is.
Bismillah.
Wal khaba'is.
Bismillah. First
Bismillah.
Bismillah, then Allahumma. Bismillah, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubuthi wal khaba'ith. Bismillah is first before everything.
Bismillahi everything.
Mm.
Before everything. Bismillah is Alhamdulillah when you wake up after doing whatever I do. Alhamdulillah.
Anyway.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes,
Open
sir.
it to dua, please. This dua, please open.
I didn't open it. Yep.
Yeah, please. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubuthi wal khaba'ith. Please memorize in this class this. Inshallah. I am with you. Don't be sad.
Inshallah.
Yeah. Inshallah. Memorization is very easy.
I would like to memorize inshallah one day
I
in
will
Arabic.
do you hafiz Quran. Inshallah. Alim.
Inshallah.
Shaykh. Yeah. Inshallah.
Inshallah, brother. Just patient, very patient. We're gonna work inshallah for many months and years.
Oh, Allah give you health, my brother. Okay, please start. Sometimes repeat it. Bismillahi, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubuthi wal khaba'ith.
Bismillahi, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'ith.
Khaba'ith, yeah. Yeah. Continue. Don't stop. Continue.
Again, right?
Yeah.
Inshallah. Again.
Yeah.
Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubi wal khaba'ith. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubi wal khaba'ith. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubi wal khaba'ith. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubi wal khaba'ith. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubi wal khaba'ith.
Min al-khubuthi.
Min al-khubusi. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubusi wal khaba'ith. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubusi wal khaba'ith. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubusi wal khaba'ith. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubusi wal khaba'ith.
Next page open, please. It's easy.
Yes, I received. Yes. I received it, yep. Alhamdulillah. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubusi wal khaba'ith. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubusi wal khaba'ith. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubusi wal khaba'ith. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubusi wal khaba'ith. So I'm going to write this down and also
Memorization completed. One time close
Alhamdulillah.
your eyes, and one time open your eyes when you will read it.
اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الكبوس والكبائر. اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الكبوس والكبائر. Once again, I didn't close my eyes. I kept opening. I want to be honest, alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الكبوس والكبائر.
Okay. Bro, it's Prophet's gift for Ummah. It's Prophet's gift for Ummah. It's dua for protection from
Protection.
every devils. Okay, in Hadith, one message from Prophet: toilet, bathroom is devil's house. Understand?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
And
Correct. That's 100%.
and one sheikh was said, if anyone will come in toilet without reading this dua, then devils will playing with private parts.
Correct.
It's
Subhanallah.
that's Allahu Akbar. It's problems. It's when will do these devils with him, then will start very very dangerous medically problems of
Correct.
private parts problems. Understand? Yeah, I visit
Correct.
a hospital. I visit some hospital, and I see patients, medical clear, medical test is very okay, but problems, Allah Akbar, big problems. Doctors are not understanding what is this problem. He
Subhanallah.
was ignore the Prophet's education, then will start with
Subhanallah.
him problem. Then will
Subhanallah.
follow every Muslim Prophet's education, then Allah will give protection from
Alhamdulillah. Subhanallah.
every devil, males and females. Allahu Akbar. Late marriage problem.
Brother.
Some
Subhanallah.
Muslims with some Muslim girls, with some Muslim girls, sisters and brothers, and medical is very clear, but
Subhanallah.
problems are not solving. Why? They are not understanding the education of Prophet. Prophet was said in Hadith, when will you change the dress, then say Bismillah. When you will say Bismillah, then protection. Devils will not see you without dressing.
Subhanallah.
Understand?
Of course, brother.
Yeah,
Of
it's
course,
prophets. It's not a very very heavy. It's
brother, I wrote.
Yeah, we are
Is this
lucky, brother. Sorry, we are Muslims is very lucky, because
Subhanallah. Exactly.
Prophet was give to Ummah, to Muslims. It's very very protective things. Alhamdulillah.
Brother, can I send you one picture?
After class, inshallah. After class, if you don't mind, then
yes.
we complete this class, my brother. Then inshallah, after that we will discuss on which. Thank you. Don't mind, please.
Inshallah. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. May Allah
please.
bless you and your
Thank
family.
you. Thank you.
brother.
Please have some time for repeat it for memorization, inshallah. Yeah.
Inshallah, brother. Thank you so much. May Allah bless you.
Thank you. Also.
Thank you, brother. Assalamu alaikum. May Allah bless you.
Are you?
Oh, you want me to repeat it now?
Yeah. Repeat. Are you busy? Are you busy?
No. I thought you're leaving. I'm sorry. I didn't understand you. I'm sorry.
Where
Okay,
you are
so-
going? You are going where? Assalamu alaikum. Wase. You are.
No, I thought you going. I'm sorry.
No, I am not going. I am with you.
Subhanallah.
I am with you, inshallah. After 5 minutes, I
Yeah,
will go.
no problem.
I will go after
Oh.
5 minutes. I am give you 5 minutes more because our Maghrib
Yeah,
time started.
inshallah, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your
Okay.
class time finish after 5 minutes, inshallah. Okay, please
Inshallah.
understand this, and after that, inshallah, we will continue tomorrow, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Because of little English, we don't understand each other. I'm sorry.
Yeah. I seek its meanings. I seek this. Please, you read, please, it English.
Yes.
Translation.
The Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. I'm trying with closed eyes. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Alhamdulillah, with closed eyes. Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. Oh,
Alhamdulillah.
congratulations. MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah.
La quwwata illa billah.
Yes.
Okay, one time more, please. 10 time repeat. Okay, one time read with eyes, and one time without closing eyes, and one time with closing eyes, please. 10 times.
Bismillahi. Allahumma. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni khubsi wal Allahumma. Subhanallah, I tried it without eyes already. 4 times it was without eyes. Alhamdulillah, close eyes. Alhamdulillah. I tried it at first 2 times with eyes open, and then 4 times with eyes closed. Alhamdulillah. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. This was also closed eyes. Another closed eyes. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Closed eyes. Alhamdulillah. Allahumma. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Allahumma. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is. Alhamdulillah, brother. All these was with eyes closed.
Completed. Okay, close your eyes now. Start.
Bismillahi. Allahumma. No problem, brother. Closed eyes already. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is.
Oh, mashallah, la quwwata illa billah, my brother. Okay, one more important thing I am giving you. Before entering the toilet, you will read this dua one time, okay? But
Yes.
with which foot you will enter to toilet? Toilet
With the
is left. Mashallah, mashallah.
Yes,
and when
yes,
you will
yes.
out from toilet?
With the right.
Right. And after outing, غفرانك. It's dua غفرانك.
When you leave.
Yeah. Close your eyes and open your eyes. No issue. غفرانك.
غفرانك.
Yeah. Easy. Okay. It's rule of washroom. Prophet's tips. Alhamdulillah. We Muslims are very lucky. Oh. Okay, brother.
Alhamdulillah, brother.
Mashallah, mashallah. Okay, brother. Our class time finish also. 30 minutes.